Ой, да, вообще не понял. Дали? Все, да? Ну слушай, это же вакейшн, там одна сумка только мой.
So this is our room on the Koningsdam, the fourth deck. There's the bed. Pretty cool. Nice pillows.
This is just a reminder that all guests should be on your way to your staterooms to continue our passenger emergency muster drill.
As you can hear, they're doing the safety briefing at the moment.
We do appreciate your
There's some drawers in here. Actually got the Bible there. Bottom drawer. Here is the desk. Pretty spacious desk. What I like here is that plenty of 110 outlets, USB. Nice huge mirror. Come around here. Two chairs there. A little bit here. There's kind of the cupboard, and also the doors on the right here are actually the closet doors. The robes there, complimentary umbrella. Alright, that's that side, and the left side. More hangers, and a safe there. Life jackets, hopefully we won't be needing those. And just over here to the left are the cupboards here. So definitely lots of space to put your clothing. Fully loaded bar here.
Proceed directly to your muster
that's
station.
Nice.
Signs in the stairways and staff.
Definitely not free, by the way. There's a few more drawers here. I can open all of those because they are pretty much the same. And here in the corner we have
and secure location while our teams deal with the emergency.
some glasses here, water, towels,
to evacuate the ship,
more glasses up
you
here.
will be escorted to your designated lifeboat.
And here's a TV. Here's what's interesting is that on a lot of the ships they make the guests actually go out to the lifeboats for the safety briefing. And here they've told us that there is no need to go to the lifeboats and we just need to turn on our TV and watch the safety briefing. So that's kind of what's happening and what's playing here on the TV. Pretty cool. And over to the left is the balcony door. And there's Albina. Bellini. What do you think?
It's super awesome. It's amazing. Oh my
Super
god, it's
awesome.
incredible.
I think she approves.
I think it's dreams come true.
Dreams come true. Look at that. So this pillar that's here is normally where your balcony would end on a normal, typical balcony. And you kind of just have this space where you see the two chairs. But because this is kind of a wheelchair accessible cabin, there's a ramp there. We have some extra space.
Designates where your muster station is located. Starting with the letter A.
The bad thing about this is it's actually what's called an obstructed balcony view. You can see why it's obstructed.
The number designates the deck.
Where the
Muster stations ending with the number 2 are located on deck 2, and those ending with the number 3 are located on deck 3.
Nonetheless,
Please follow the instructions from our
nice
stairway
cabin.
guides who will direct you to the most direct route to your muster station. For your safety in a real emergency and to avoid interfering
And we're
with
gonna
our
go out and
emergency
check out some
response
more of the
teams
ship
dealing
now.
with the incident, it is very important.